Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Excel cannot open the file because the file format of file extension is not valid. So this means the file is corrupted or damaged, or the extension does not match with the actual file format, or the file is incompatible with your Excel version, or there is a permission issue. So let's see how to fix one by one. First method is check and change the file extension. So first you need to open the file explorer by just tap on it. Then you need to go to the view tab, make sure and go to show, make sure file name extension is checked. Now it is unchecked, you need to check that one. Okay, you can see now it is checked like this. Then after you need to locate your Excel file. In my case it is right here. You can see it is XLXX, and if it is not opening, right click on it, tap on rename option, make sure to set it as a XLXX if it is Excel file. If it has other name, you need to select it as a Excel file. For the Excel 2007 or later, use the XLXX like this. For earlier version, XLS, no need to final X. Then after try to open it again. So the second method is use the Excel open and repair feature. So you need to open Excel, not this one, your Excel on your computer. Then after go to file, then go to open and select the browse, select the problematic Excel file. Once you select that one, you can see small drop down in the near the open button. Tap on it, tap on open and repair option. So select the repair option from that menu. Okay, now you can see it is repair and opened. If it is failed the repair, try the extract data option in that menu. So the next method is you have to restore a previous version of the file. So you need to right click on it, go to properties, go to previous versions. If you see any previous version from here, tap on it and tap on OK. It will be restore the previous version. And the next method is check and edit the file permissions. Again you need to come to the properties, go to security tab, make sure your user account has a full control. You should see the tick option here, select your account one by one. So if you are using system, you have to full control, or you can tap on edit. You need to tick the full control from here. Go to add, or no need to go to add, you have to full control already. Okay. As the final method, you can use the file repair tool. So 4D dig file repair is a good one, or stellar repair to repair the Excel files. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.